Today, a very important question was asked. What ever happened to Bruh Sound Effect 1? And today, I'm gonna attempt to find out that mystery. I have spent many months and many days trying to discover the mystery of Bruh Sound Effect 1, but have not found it because it's very hard to find it.
What?
Where did Bruh Sound Effect 1 go, and why is he no longer around?
브로 BBRUH 브로.
After the Bruh discussion, Bruh Sound Effect 1 decided to come back.
Bruh.
브로 BBR 브로